So, dream becomes reality. Here we are. Okay.
There you go.
Grass, yum.
He was like, what is this?
Can y'all stop eating and get on in?
That's all they looking for is food.
All right, we're in the other cage.
What?
All right, Jared, pull that one back. I know there's another one in there. There we are. Girl, you need to dry yourself off. You look a mess. You gonna protect them? Home sweet home.
He just sneezed.
This is good because they got a little sun and then they got the shade. Okay, so day one with the chickens. We've got it almost completed. I need to go back and get a 6-foot post for that other side of the gate. And I've got to find the stapler so that I can staple some chicken wire on these little spots here because they can get out through the inside. This is the setup. Hey, nosy butt. Why are you up there? That's Kong. That's Brownie. Oh, all right, Miss Thing. Don't be trying to go nowhere. I see you. I see you thinking about it. I see you. I'm trying to estimate if you get over there by that dog, you're gonna be I can't guarantee your life. She don't know y'all yet. So the plan is to close them up in the into the coop at the end of the day at night. And even when we're here and just inside the house, since this is open to air, we want to make sure that no predators come from above. I believe the trees do provide some protection, but I've seen some weird stuff happening with these predators on other people's YouTube channels and social media, so I don't want to take any chances. But here we are. So I came outside to get some pictures of the setup because once I got in, when I headed in, I was so tired. I didn't even really look at the pictures that were taken, and I just did, and they sucked. And so I came out, tried to catch a couple of pictures of the setup, and was looking around, admiring our work, and I saw an egg. Now, they're blocking it right now. Looks like they're gonna move. You see it? Now, I believe it may be the Silky's egg because she keeps sitting on it. Yeah, she's trying to move it, as you can see. So, I hate to take it from her, but I'm gonna take it from her. So, I'm gonna grab our first egg, boo-boo and all. Okay, so having chickens and then having eggs, and then there's storage issues. We got some bins for some of their items that we will need for them, food, bedding, things like that. But the eggs, I wanted to find a way to store them, and I found this little modular storage container online, and I really like it. This is what it looks like. And you just, ta-da! If you were storing it in the fridge, it has these little ridges to where if you had multiple ones, you could stack them easily. I wanted something to put them in for keeping them out. We'll keep ours. We won't clean them. We'll just keep them room temperature. So yeah, I think I'm probably going to order one more. It's such a beautiful day today. I'm very, very, very happy that it feels so nice out because I have plenty of things that I need to be getting done. Hi guys. But I didn't have time to stand and or continuously come back to the coop to make sure that the chickens hadn't escaped their little run area, which is uncovered at the top, and their wings need to be clipped. We're just waiting, postponing that for a few more days, but I decided to just throw over this long piece of shade cloth that I have. I've been using it for plants and probably will use it again for plants in the heat of the summer when things are just too hot for our greens. So it wasn't really in use. In fact, I pulled it off of a little pile that we have to go through. So I just took it, put it over the top of their little run. Yep. And they're down there chilling. And the funny thing is, just a little while ago, they had all gotten back in the coop. Hey, what's up? Hey, what's going on in there? Okay. So yeah, nice little fix. And I may just go ahead and order another 2 of these. And it gave me an idea to get some taller T-posts and just throw some PVC pipe, maybe some type of piping over the top of it to make a couple of hoops. And this could be a permanent thing for them. And I won't have to worry about it at all. I don't have to worry about predators coming from above. Although they are by trees, so I'm not like really bad worried about it. But those ironic, really weird, oddball things tend to happen at our home. So, yeah. Chicken charms, poultry leg bands, fit size 6 to 14. Who sizes their chicken legs? Feet. I don't know. I don't know what size they are, but these should fit perfectly. I'm so excited about these. So we have 6 hens and 1 rooster, and so now we have to pick out which charm will go with which chicken. We decided to do this because our neighbor has chickens and they wander the neighborhood freely. And a couple of times we've caught them trying to get into the high tunnel, and a couple of times they've helped themselves to a little fennel from one of our beds on the edge of the property. But this is to just make sure that if for some reason ours got out, we wouldn't have to have any bickering or anything with the neighbors. So yeah. So excited. Okay, Brownie. I need you to pick which one you want. Which one?
Brownie.
Which one you want? Which one? Neither? No? Neither?
She's just escaping right now.
You thinking about escaping? Okay. I'll pick one for you then. Let's do... You're a sweetheart. Let's do a heart on you. How about this one? Like that one? Brownie? Yes? No? Oh, she's thinking of eating. And Brownie is done! Yay, Brownie! Good girl! Good girl, Brownie! Got it?
Ooh, it's warm under here.
You have to get the other side too.
Big old colossal foot. My Superman. Superman. All right. Hello. Are you ready for treats? Choop choop. Choop choop. Recently discovered, or just researching online about our new hobby of hens, and found that fennel is good for the reproductive health. They like it okay, but it's a nice little change for them. So let's give them some fennel. I probably should have broke it up a little bit, but I just came out here and decided to do it all of a sudden, so no knife. Okay, girls and guy, or is that something you're interested in? No? Hello? No? What about you, Brownie? Yeah? Yeah. Get some of that. Get some of that. Get some, Blackie. Oh, Kong got some. Want some? Brownie's into it. She's like, I don't care if nobody else get any. I'm getting my piece. Okay, there you go. I guess they're full for the day. Oh. Oh, Goldie's like, okay. Oh. There we go. No, no, ma'am. I hope I caught that on camera. No, Blackie. No. No, Blackie. No, Blackie. You cannot get out. Stop. The food's over there. I already put it in. Girls, y'all go over there. Okay. Blackie doesn't like fennel. She wants the regular feed. No, ma'am. I see you. Thank you, Goldie. And just like a good mommy, I chopped up the fennel. Like they knew I was going to. There, all chopped up. Now, let's see if I can get it in here without them getting out. Our pink celery didn't hold up as nicely as the white celery in the high tonal. So, quite a bit, I won't say quite a bit, probably about 4 stalks went to seed. And so, everybody got some this morning. The rabbits got some, and the chickens. Goldie is loving it. Like, I just tell you what, this is the best stuff I've ever had. Get it, Goldie. After all this time, we have our very own eggs. Yay! What have you found down there? Grass. It's always greener on the other side of the fence. This case is true. Okay, so we have had the hardest time keeping their water clean. When they kick around, they're kicking everything, dirt, poop, whatever, into their waterers. So I was trying to figure out a way to kind of raise the waterers above the ground a little bit, but also keep them in their reach. You just have a really small one there, as you can see. We call her Shrillix. So what I did is just turned a planting tray, pretty sturdy one, upside down, and we sat the waterers on top. So that'll get them off of the ground some, and this will also give me a idea as to if I need to have these waterers a little higher off the ground, or if this is high enough. So if I need to go higher, we may just do some bricks or some wood stacks instead. Hey, Mr. Rooster. Kong is like, why are you in here with my girls? So, yeah. So at the end of the day, we'll get an opportunity to see how much cleaner their water is. Stay tuned. And of course, we always have that one. That's Blackie. She's a breakout queen, her and Brownie. Uh-huh. Yeah, I saw you. Good thing I got... Okay, sir.